Anyone who knows me knows how much I love yoga. And today I am in one of my most favorite cities in India to practice exactly that. Namaste guys. Welcome to The Seeker.
On my way to Mysore, बैंगलोर से ड्राइव करते हुए, और मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज़ द ओनली प्लेस आई कैन डू इट विद. मैं मैसूर इतनी बार आ चुकी हूँ और मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आज द सीकर के एपिसोड पे मैं आपको अपने साथ लेके जाने वाली हूँ टू वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्लेसेस फॉर आयंगर योग. एंड अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रिविया जो मुझे एक्चुअली में आज ही पता चला is that BKS Iyengar ji, who's the founder of Iyengar Yoga, is actually from a place called Bellur, which is just 3.5 hours from Mysore. So what are the chances कि मैं आई हूँ मैसूर, जो एक्चुअली जाना जाता है अष्टांग योग के लिए, लेकिन हम सीखने आए हैं आयंगर योग. Let's go to Anokhi.
मैसूर को योग कल्चर का कैपिटल बुलाया जा सकता है because it attracts enthusiasts from around the world seeking authentic yoga practices and spiritual growth. This scenic city in the south of India is deeply rooted in yoga traditions और यहाँ हर गली में ढेर सारे yoga schools और ashrams भी हैं. Indians and foreigners both come to Mysore to immerse themselves in the rich heritage of yoga, drawn by the chance to learn from esteemed gurus and experienced practitioners.
Aditya.
Hello.
Damnani. He's the money, but I love to call him Damnani.
Hi. Good to see you. Welcome back. Welcome back.
How are you?
Oh man, look at you.
Can you believe it? I'm back in like what? 3-4 months?
Yeah, it seems like yesterday, but it's been I think 5 months. Yeah, well,
This literally
this is
feels
her
home.
like
And normally,
second home.
And normally I've been like doing this, and then I go to places and Swamiji, the person over there, is like, I will show you around, and today I'm like, I will show you around because
Yogi, they call me Yogi Aditya Nath for some reason.
what reason is that?
I don't know. My name's Aditya. That's why. That's all.
But when I'm saying like I feel so at home, and I was so excited for this episode particularly because यहाँ पे मैं हर साल में I think for the last 3 years at least twice a year I visit.
I mean, this place is your second home.
It is.
And you're my favorite yogi friend, my favorite friend also.
I know he calls me his favorite yogini.
Yeah.
So thank you for that honor,
No,
Sir
thank you
Aditya.
for coming, and it's always nice to have people from Bombay come to Mysore. And I get, I miss Bombay, and Bombay is here.
Can I show the property? a
Sure,
little
it's
bit?
your house.
That's our massage room. यहाँ पे Ayurvedic massages होती हैं.
Sonali is
and
popular demand.
I love them, and इनके अलग-अलग therapists आते हैं. It's so much fun, and this is the cafe dining area.
This basically encapsulates a bit of how Mysore is.
Exactly.
You have a lot of yogis coming from all over the world. They get their photo shoots done. We have Coorg around us where we do a lot of coffee estate visits. We have contact improvisation dance.
Wow.
We have massage courses. We have obviously a lot of asana.
Amazing. And a lot of people might ask कि why Mysore and why Iyengar? Because Mysore, Iyengar के लिए लोग पुणे जाते हैं. वहाँ पे है BKS Iyengar जी का पहला आश्रम. And yes, you are correct. But the reason why I have come is because मैंने आदित्य के थ्रू ही उन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत अमेजिंग टीचर से मिलवाया था, श्रीनाथा जी, श्रीनाथ सर, एंड वो आए थे बॉम्बे और उनके साथ मैंने क्लासेस ली थी एंड विच वाज अमेजिंग.
आदित्य से बात करके आई रियलाइज दैट श्रीनाथा जी, जिनके साथ मैं आज आयंगर योगा प्रैक्टिस करने वाली हूँ, लर्नड योगा फ्रॉम BKS Iyengar himself for 3 years. I'm excited for the knowledge that he will be sharing. When it comes to yoga, I can actually go on and on, और आप सब तो मेरे बारे में अब तक ये realize कर ही चुके होंगे. So the reason why I'm speaking so much about it is because there are different forms of yoga. What am I really seeking on this show? Is there a form that is better than the other? Which one is best suited for you and why? Well, Aditya has planned some exciting surprises like chakra meditation and didgeridoo, apart from Iyengar Yoga, of course. So, yeah, I am all excited.
And I'm so glad that I'm doing this with you, really. Like, I'm so
happy.
glad, and I'm very excited for the next 2 days. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. So I'm all changed and charged for my session of Iyengar Yoga with Srinatha ji here at Anokhi. I have my favorite coffee with ghee. Pro tip, always add a little ghee to your coffee. It lines your gut, and coffee is very drying in nature. And yes, that is our yoga community here at Anokhi Garden in Mysore. तो अब हम थोड़ी कॉफ़ी पियेंगे. से नमस्ते गाइस. एंड अब इनमें से आप गेस कर लो कौन हमारा सेशन लेंगे जो हम रिवील करेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में. सो वी गोना हेड देयर नाउ आफ्टर अ लिटिल चाय पार्टी. Ta-da, see you there. Coffee with ghee.
Okay, so before I go ahead, I want to tell you something. Did you know that Iyengar Yoga was actually made for people who were handicapped in their abilities, especially abled people or disabled people जो normal yoga practice नहीं कर सकते थे. Iyengar Yoga में बहुत से props, ropes, etc. use किए जाते हैं to make it easy for everybody to get into the yoga poses. And that's the beauty of yoga. It is for everyone. One more fun fact, Rohan Bopanna, the world's oldest men's doubles player, to be ranked number 1 at 43, credits Iyengar Yoga for his resurgence. For now, let's head to a class with Srinatha ji, and then I will pick his brains and ask him in detail about Iyengar Yoga.
Whatever I know, and in my humble opinion and humble knowledge that I've heard, that Iyengar Yoga was actually founded by BKS Iyengar ji. But before that, it was for people with disabilities and or who are handicapped or who could not do the yoga.
Not only like that, in the Iyengar yoga is meant for. It is yoga is not only for in the for everybody. That is somebody is working on the only muscular system. They are not going to the inner journey, but they don't know the how to connect with the body and mind. That is with breath. It how to connect with breath. But in the Iyengar system, Iyengar he's developed the system how to feel that. How to connect your go for the inner journey, how to connect your breath, how to connect with your mind, but how to synchronize with body. These are the things is happening in the when you are practicing Iyengar.
Yeah.
There you go. It's all about awareness. Srinatha ji has basically simplified it and taught me so much. Srinatha ji se baat karne ke baad, I wanted to practice deeply and also share this with everybody. So it was time to continue the session. Om Shanti. What a beautiful session this was. Enlightening and full of peace. आप सबने observe किया होगा that almost all the students in the class were foreigners. Made me wonder, what is it about traditional Indian treatments and practices that excites them? And why as Indians aren't we fully accepting of our legacy and culture? Food for thought, right? Well, day 1 here was super fun, and I can't wait to see what's in store tomorrow.
As I was writing my gratitude diary, I realized I am grateful for this. I'm grateful that I'm able to put this show out, The Seeker, along with Curly Tales, and bring all this beautiful knowledge that I have collected in all these years on my path of seeking holistic health and bring it to you. Today is a new day, and I am a little bit excited extra because I happen to literally bump into one of my favorite people to practice under the guidance of, and which is Yogi Dinesh Chandra. He is from Rishikesh और वो अभी यहाँ पे मैसूर आए हुए हैं.
what timing, God. I love it.
Being a regular practitioner of yoga since many years now, Hatha Yoga is a big part of my life. In fact, मैंने अपनी teacher training भी Hatha Yoga में ही की है. The word Ha means sun and Ta means moon. So basically, Hatha means yoga, जो balance लाता है between the sun and the moon energies within us. You can explore Hatha Yoga in ways that can take you beyond certain limitations. But fundamentally, ये एक physical preparation है, जो आपकी body को एक higher possibility के लिए fully prepare करता है. Yogi Dinesh Chandra is as good as they come, and if there's an opportunity to learn newer aspects of yoga, I'm all for it, always. Told you, amazing is how I feel after this session. There's a reason that I feel that holistic well-being and spreading knowledge about it is my swadharma. Engaging the mind, body and soul minus the distractions and listening to every breath as it goes. Since nourishing of the soul is done, time to nourish my body with this yummy food. One of the reasons I love visiting Anokhi Gardens, Mysore is for the unique experiences it offers and the interesting people from around the world that I always get to meet here. This time I bumped into Alexa, जो कि एक face therapist है from Belgium. Alexa tried the gua sha therapy on me. Gua sha is the practice of using a tool to apply pressure and scrape the skin to relieve pain and tension, and it is gaining popularity worldwide for the immense benefits it offers.
So it's not just about your skin and it's not just about your face. It's a more deep thing. So I'm working as a beautician. I had started that 11 years ago. And now I have a lot of experience of
Clearly.
it. For me, it's not about your wrinkles and not about your always be so much perfect.
Flawless,
yes.
yeah.
It's more because we are working on energy lines or energy points, and I'm always first. For me, it's the most important first to be connect with my clients. So that's why maybe I'm a little bit old-fashioned, but that's why I prefer more to use my hands. I use the gua sha and the rolls too, but the hands is more important for me because when the skin touch the skin, I can feel how you are.
Yes.
Because on your face there are a lot of muscle, and I feel your jaw. How is your jaw? Because usually people when they are so stressful
This becomes
or
stiff,
angry,
yeah.
it's so stiff. Yeah.
Session के बाद, I'm gonna go and get some rest, and in the evening, I have asked Srinatha ji to teach me a pose that I want to master.
Yes. Okay, now good. Yes. Now this one extend. Okay, once you feel comfortable, this also bend that knee. Yes. Okay. Yes, and relax your neck and smile.
He's asking me to smile. I can only smile because there are so many props. Imagine अगर ये मुझे बिना props के करना होता तो. Can this be done without props?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Then you have to bend slowly. Have to leave. Yes, that's all. More comfortable.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you are staying long time. It's good.
Thank you, sir. Now I realize that why props are.
Yes, more beneficial. You can and also you can go for deeper stretch also.
We are here again is because मुझे ये pose perfect करना था. जब श्रीनाथा जी last time आए थे बॉम्बे, so I tried to do it and I feel like I did not perfect it so much. So I wanted to have another session with you. So thank you for coming again and teaching me.
The didgeridoo, an ancient musical instrument, एक powerful tool है for sound therapy, and it is said that ये लोगों को 3 levels पर affect करता है. Firstly, इसके deep tones produce infrasound frequencies that offer relief from various physical pains and promote healing. Secondly, इसके vibrations help करते हैं to clear emotional and energy blockages, aligning with the principles from Ayurveda. Lastly, the didgeridoo helps with meditation and helps an individual to go into deep meditative states that are good for healing and manifesting positive outcomes.
What a wonderful way to end the last 2 days. So relaxing, energizing. ये वाली मेरी मैसूर की ट्रिप थोड़ी डिफरेंट थी बिकॉज मैंने बहुत काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें नोटिस की. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू नोटिस्ड ऑल्सो दैट बहुत सारे दूसरे देशों के लोग हैं, लॉट ऑफ फॉरेनर्स हैव टेकन अप योगा इन द पास्ट, वेदर इट वाज मडोना हु स्टार्टेड इट. जब से वेस्ट में क्रेज़ आया था और उसका क्रेज़ अभी तक चल रहा है. इफ़ यू नोटिस कितने सारे लोग दूर देशों से आते हैं हमारे देश में योग सीखने. और मुझे कभी कभी ख़राब लगता है कि हम लोग यहाँ पे रह के उसका उतना उस फॉर्म का इतना फ़ायदा नहीं उठाते हैं या उसको फुल्ली यूटिलाइज नहीं करते हैं. एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो दैट विच इज़ द काइंड ऑफ योगा दैट अट्रैक्ट्स यू the most. And on that note, I would also like to quote Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Like yoga is the stillness of the modifications or the fluctuations of the mind. So the purpose is basically to just still yourself. अब आप वो हठ से करो, अष्टांग से करो या एंगर से करो, I mean it's up to you. So do like, share and subscribe to this video channel. I'm so new to this still, and definitely I'm not new to the comments, so keep the comments coming, and lots of love. This is Sonali A. Sajnani. Keep seeking, keep loving, and be kind. Namaste.